Hey, so I was mixing up our family's taco seasoning recipe that we make, and I just thought I wanted to hop on here and share the recipe with you guys because you may be looking for healthier alternatives to avoid like the packets that you get at the store, or you may be just looking for a more like budget-friendly alternative, and this is both healthier and budget-friendly, and it's super easy to make up for you and your family. So I would encourage you to do this recipe because it's super easy. I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can kind of see what it looks, and I'll talk you through the recipe. Okay, so this is all the ingredients just already in here, and I mix in the sink because it makes it super easy for any cleanup. You just simply rinse whatever spills. Like you can already see I've spilled stuff. You rinse it down the drain. So it's one way to just not have to have a cleanup mess when you're in the kitchen cooking. So, but real quick, okay, so the seasoning, I love the colors. Like I started to stir it, but I wanted you to see all the beautiful colors. So the recipe for this though is you're gonna want a half a cup of chili powder, a fourth a cup of onion powder, 1/8 a cup of ground cumin, and then you want about 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder. Sometimes I do more. We really like garlic. And then 1.5 tablespoons of paprika, and then 3 tablespoons of sea salt. And then you're basically just gonna put it all in a jar and then stir it together. You can shake the jar if you close it. I just stir it up real quick, and I'm gonna transition it into a more of a cylinder jar, and I can show you the after product of that when I have it all in this jar. So here it is, and we put them in these recycled salad dressing jars that we get our salad dressing in, and so it's a glass jar, and we simply make this into our little spice of taco seasoning, and we'll add in you know, anywhere from like a tablespoon to 2, generally like with our ground meat or our chicken, depending on how much we're doing and all that. But it's super flexible, so like you can even omit the paprika, you can change up the measurements, and just to be perfect to what your family likes. So we really love doing our own, and like I said, it's super easy.